scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. For part A, create the 2D array with R rows and C columns using map equals new treasure RC. In Java, all entries of an object array are automatically initialized to null, so you only need to place treasure objects at the locations listed in locks. Iterate through locks, get each location object's row and column with getRow and getCall. And assign new treasure to that position in map. A correct constructor could be written as public treasure map int r int c array list location locks map equals new treasure rc for location locks map lock.getRow.lock.getCall equals new treasure. For part B, examine every position in the rectangular region from start to end inclusive. Use nested loops. The outer loop goes through the... Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.